All right. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar. If it's your first time here, my name is Eugene, and I am the marketing manager here at Akool. And if you've been here before, if you're here every week, motivational videos, welcome back. Mohammed, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here and continuously sharing and showing your support. Hi, Elena. Welcome to the webinar. Rahul, welcome back to the webinar. We appreciate all of you guys so much for spending some of your time. Rahul, I know it's very late into the night for you, so thank you so much for being here today. Especially today, it's a very exciting webinar. We're incredibly excited because this session is all about something we believe is going to reshape how people connect and communicate using video. Now, if you've ever dreamed of real-time video generation, live avatars that move with you, face swaps that happen as you speak, or instant AI-powered translations during meetings, this is it. Akool Live brings all of these together into one powerful suite, and I've had the chance to test it out over the last few days. And let me tell you, it feels like we've stepped into the future. It's amazing. So the tools are fast and wildly creative, and we're just getting started. This is not just an update, it's a shift. And we believe it marks a huge moment in the evolution of AI. And to help us explore it, I'm joined by our head of strategic financing, Isaac, and none other than the CEO and founder of Akool, my boss, Jiajun Lu. Jiajun, thank you for being here today. It's always a privilege to have your insight. How are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing very well. Very excited to join the webinar here today.
Yeah, I know we're all very excited to finally demo Akool Live, something we've all been working really hard for. But before we get into it, Jiajun, you've been on the cutting edge of AI for many years, but a lot of our viewers are meeting you for the very first time. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, and maybe give us the story of your journey before Akool?
Yes, I'm happy to talk about it. The company was founded 3 years ago, and I spent lasted more than a decade working on AI videos, and really excited when some videos works great. And my prior experience is on the Google Cloud side, doing video generations and editing and understanding and lots of different things. And before that, I was at Apple doing Face ID.
Oh, wow.
I'm very excited that the AI video technology has become mature, and also things I like AI video so much. I feel it's really amazing. Now we can use it to do live communications and all these kind of things. Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. I love how your journey ties directly into what we're showcasing today. It's always great to see a founder who truly understands both the tech and the people using it. But every founder has that spark moment, the one where something clicks and you realize, oh, this is something I want to build. Did you have this moment for Akool? What gave you the inspiration to start Akool as a company?
Yes. Since I'm in the field for a pretty long time, I'm always amazed by these technologies that generate humans and animate humans and so on. And I think the moment is when I realized that the result could be so realistic, and it can help to do so many real world business use cases, and even can help the communications across different teams and different countries to be much more efficient. And that's a moment that I think I find the right thing to do.
That makes a lot of sense. It's clear that Akool was born out of both your experience and vision, seeing what's missing and creating something bold to fill that gap. And it's proof that it's working. especially with Akool Live. But speaking of Akool Live, let's fast forward a little bit to this new feature that we're releasing. This tool feels like a leap forward in real-time communication. There's nothing like it ever made. So was there a single insight or situation that first planted the seed for what we're seeing today?
Yes, I think it's just amazing when you can create video in live. And my family is multinational, like speak all the different languages and so on. And I
Mm.
already feel pretty hard to communicate in all the different languages. So I can only speak two languages, but it becomes much harder. But with live, you can communicate with people much easier across all the different languages and so on. Beyond that, if you understand the world and understand all the videos, they are all like imagine they can all generate it in real time, right? That's amazing. So even if you have like video calls with your parents, girlfriend, or if you are watching movies, TV shows, ideally in the future, all of them can be generated in real time. And even like customer support and agents and all of them when the interface is video. And if the video can be generated and interact with the people in real time, like it's real, then I think we really achieved like the true artificial intelligence, right? The true generative general AI. So yeah.
Yeah, no, I completely agree. As you said, my family, I also speak two languages, English and Korean, but my Korean isn't always the best. So when I speak with my family, I speak Konglish, so it's Korean and English. But with this, I'm able to just talk in English and then they'll be able to understand everything in Korean, especially with my grandparents as they mostly speak Korean. So it's so cool seeing this in action. And it's always fascinating to hear how one idea or moment can evolve into an entire platform, such as with Akool and with Akool Live. Then I guess let's Oh, I did forget to mention, if anyone does have a question, please just ask away in the chat. I am keeping my eye out on it, and then I'll try my best to keep up with all of your questions. If you have any questions for me or for Jiajun regarding Akool or Akool Live, or maybe you just want to know more about him, please ask away. I see, Mohammed, you speak English. Yeah, yeah. All right, then a lot of a lot of flashy tools pop up in technology, especially nowadays, but they don't always solve a. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's actually go into the demo. We do have four tools for Akool Live. We have live face swap. We have real-time video translation dubbing, which is my favorite one so far. We have live avatars, and we have real-time video generation. But for today, we are actually just going to go over live avatar and real-time translation. And in the future, of course, we will go over live face swap and live video generation as well. But for today on our agenda, let's start off with live avatar. I did. I was hoping that Jiajin, you would be able to show off your live avatar. Maybe you have a custom one that you could share with us.
Yeah, so I'm happy to share. So actually, I was using my avatar for the meeting. So now what you
Oh,
see is
really?
my live avatar, and yeah, yeah, that's my live avatar.
Oh, this is your avatar. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't even notice.
Yeah, so
Wow.
you can use the live avatar to join any meetings or do any streaming or any software. So you can plug in the video feed and do all the amazing things.
Oh, wow. Are you able to show your actual camera just so the audience knows that this is your avatar? Because it looks real. Like, it feels like you're lying to me. Um, oh, there. Oh, wow. Oh,
Yeah, so
that's amazing.
see myself.
Hi, Jiajun. I didn't know I was talking to your avatar previously. Welcome to the webinar. This is my boss, the CEO of Akool, Jiajun Lu, for the audience that if it's the first time meeting you. That is really cool. Oh, I love how you're able to just quickly turn it off and on as well.
Yeah, it's very simple, and then I can even show up with some other avatars and so on. It's just select and make it work. Yeah.
Are there any other avatars that you could show off? Maybe the studio avatars that we record?
Yeah, let me give it a try. So, wait 1 second.
Yeah, I see someone in the chat earlier said, show us his avatar is too real. It looks like they didn't believe that it was your avatar. Oh, oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, now I'm sure.
Um, yeah, I love that with this feature, you're able to just join any meeting as an avatar. It doesn't matter where you are. Like I can't even tell that you're in your office right now. Um, I love that even if you're in your pajamas, maybe your hair is a mess, or maybe you just haven't had your coffee yet and you're just not ready, or you're not feeling meeting ready. But with this avatar, there's no problem. You can just show up in any meeting looking sharp, such as how you're looking right now, looking very sharp in your suit, professional and consistent every single time, because the avatar is doing the work for you, it looks like. You're having your best day on
Yes,
camera every day.
definitely. That's very exciting.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for showcasing the avatar. That is really, I love that you showed up as your avatar at first and no one noticed it. It looks like no one in the audience noticed it as well. So that is a very, very good sign. Um, but thank you. Thank you for showing the avatar. It's I love this feature so much. It's not just about convenience. It's a tool for brand control, privacy, and even accessibility. Sales teams, for example, can maintain a polished image no matter where they are. Like I said, maybe you're still in your pajamas, or you just haven't had your morning cup of coffee, or maybe at home or busy or at a busy airport. Remote professionals, especially, can show up confidently even if they're feeling sick or camera shy. For executives or spokespeople who do dozens of meetings a week, maybe they get tired of being in front of a camera all day. They can just have one of our studio quality avatars, such as that man in the very nice office and in the very nice suit, or you can just create a custom avatar of yourself, just as Jiajun showed us, showing up to the meeting just with the avatar without telling anyone, and fooling everyone, including me. Even though I see you almost every day, I still got fooled by the avatar. So thank you very much for showcasing it. The next tool that we did want to show off is the video translation. Sorry, translation, the real-time video translation. For that, we do have Isaac to help us demonstrate the product for us. Hi, Isaac. Let's see. I wonder I wonder if the okay. But before we get into the demonstration, our live video translation is very similar to our video translation tool that we have on our product page. We boast over 140 languages that you can choose from, anywhere from Korean, so I can use it, Chinese, so Jiajin can use it. We have Hindi, we have Brazilian, Portuguese. Let's see if I can think of any more. We have so many languages. If you can find it on our video translation page, it is likely available on our real-time video translation as well. but your voice gets dubbed in real time while maintaining your tone and intent. So the result is a seamless, natural conversation that makes your international audience feel like you're speaking directly to them. There's no confusion, no need to pause and wait for a translator, a third person to translate everything for you. Let's see. While we get the demonstration set up, I'm going to.
Hi, Eugene.
Oh,
Wow, you speak. Can you hear me?
没错，我会说中文，我会说二种语言，
Well, when did you
就
learn
像
that?
你们一样。
Isaac, I didn't know you knew Chinese. Oh, that's very cool.
我学得很快，现在我是一名专家。
Jiajun,
总之，我叫 Isaac，我住在纽约。很高兴见到你们所有人，并以非中文母语认识的身份用中文说话。
Jiajun, I don't speak Chinese. I'm sure a lot of people in the audience might not speak Chinese as well. Would you be able to translate some of the stuff that Isaac said to us?
Sure, sure. I'm happy to translate. So, Isaac says he just learned Chinese. He learns really fast, and he lives in New York. And he is very happy to talk to the audience with Chinese, even though Chinese is not his mother language. And I think all of that was done through the video translation, live video translation. Yeah.
Wow, that is so cool. I love that we're in this era. I love that we're able
是的，这
to.
真的很棒。这是一项变革性的技术。
Wow, yeah, that's great. So it's a great technology and it's a revolutionary technology by ASIC.
Okay. Thank you, Isaac, for showing off the
谢谢。
video translation. For showing off the video translation. This is an amazing feature. It has huge implications for so many different use cases. For example, global sales and demos. You can pitch with confidence in customers' native languages. International onboardings, customer support. Technical teams can hop on a call and resolve issues without language being a barrier. And obviously, language is a huge barrier. English, for example, even though it is such a prominent language, or I believe there is a very large percentage of the world, it's about 70 or maybe even 80% of the world does not speak English. And the little bit that does speak English, English could be a second or even a third language to them. So even then, it could be very difficult. So the fact that we're able to translate everything in real time, it solves so many language barrier issues that we come across every single day. It's such a powerful tool. I see.
Thanks, Eugene. I'm just popping on with my natural avatar here.
Oh, that's your avatar too? Oh, that's
Oh,
so
this is real life, so you can see
Oh,
the
I didn't know
comparison.
you were in your avatar.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh
So
my God, wait,
the
this is
lip
perfect.
sync the lip sync was powered by Akool Live,
Oh, this is
as
actually
was the
perfect.
translation.
Someone in the audience earlier said or commented, haha, don't think Isaac is an avatar. So wow, that's perfect. Even I didn't know. I
Yeah.
genuinely thought only Jiajun was in his avatar form after he revealed it.
Yeah, we both were. It's very, very naturalistic, I think.
Yeah. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you for showing your avatar too. I was not expecting that as well. And I see, oh, someone else commented that the interesting features can't be demonstrated I'm assuming you are referring to live face swap and video generation. I promise we will be able to demonstrate them sometime in the near future. It's just right now we have these two that are ready to go live for our waitlisted or for early access. But once the other two are ready, I promise we will go over them as well.
Yeah, so the launch plan is currently if you get the early access, you will have the two feature enabled in your suites, and the live face swap will be enabled in probably 2 to 3 weeks, and the video generation will be enabled probably 2 to 3 months. So that's a timeline. So each feature will be enabled time by time. Currently, two features are enabled now, and one more is within a month. So yeah.
Oh, that's so soon. That's very exciting. I'm so excited to showcase those tools as well. I'm really, really excited for the video, real-time video generation, especially. Um, but with that, I understand, Jiajun, it was very hard or difficult to even get you to join this webinar. I know you're a very, very busy person. I know you have a meeting to prepare for right after this, so I'm not going to keep you hostage for that much longer. So I do have one last question I did want to ask you. Every time Akool drops a new feature, it feels like we're stepping into the next era of content creation, especially with Akool Live. But let's fast forward for a moment. If we peek a few months down the line, maybe even 6 months or maybe even a year or two, what are some major milestones or capabilities you're hoping to bring with or to Akool Live?
So I can share some of the plans, and how it goes is I think we are definitely keep adding new features to the Akool Live Suite. As we mentioned, two more features are coming, one within a month and another within 3 months that will be enabled if you get access to it. And then on top of that, we have more features coming including animate the bodies of some other people, yeah, like really fully animate their bodies with your body motions and so on, as well as some cool voice things we are planning as well. So lots of the things will be come to the whole Akool Live Suite, enable you to create great stuff in real time.
That's so exciting. I didn't know about that plan, so it's great to hear that you have huge, huge plans for Akool Live. Let's see. Oh, it looks like Rahul has a question for you, Jiajun. He is asking about, this is a little bit off topic, but he's wondering about iOS app for Akool.
Yeah, so iOS app is in process. I think currently it's the app is developed, just in some review, and the finalized step should be up pretty soon. And it don't have the Akool Live feature yet, but in the future we do plan to add the Akool Live feature into the iOS app, which means if you are on the bus or in transportation, you can join their meetings in your official suits, right? So yeah, lots of the amazing things will come up, I think, including the iOS and so on.
That's very exciting. I love that there's so many features coming out. There are a few more questions, but I'll probably just answer them myself, knowing that you do have a meeting that you have to prepare for right after this. So before you leave, I just wanted to say, Isaac, thank you so much for hopping on and showing off the translation. I didn't know you knew Chinese, but apparently you do, and for showing off your avatar. And thank you to Jiajun for joining us and sharing his vision, not just for Akool Live, but for the future of how we communicate and connect with one another. Hearing the why behind the product makes every demo we saw today that much more meaningful and powerful. So thank you so much for joining us today.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Bye. All right. Okay, so I hope those meetings were, like 1 second. I hope those meetings were, or sorry, not meetings, demos were very very informational or very exciting for you. I know for me, being able to actually test it is so much more exciting than just seeing it. And being able to test it, I can really say that it's truly amazing that we're able to just show up in meetings in real time, completely translate your language, or just show up as an avatar. And I promise that we will go over the other two features, the live face swap and the real-time video generation. Once it is ready, I believe Jiajun said it should be ready within the month, hopefully, maybe sooner, but we will, of course, keep you updated. So for now, I am going to go into the Q&A session. While we go into the Q&A session, let me actually pull up the Google form that I'm going to send to you guys. So with this form, you can fill it out saying, or letting us know that you were here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, just fill it out. Let me know that you were here. Give us your Akool email. This form will be the form that I use to give you 200 credits as a thank you for joining this webinar. But there are just some questions to fill out: your name, your email, possibly what you would like us to go over in the next webinar. And there's a little optional bit at the very end where you could fill out giving us feedback on the webinar. You can be as angry as possible if you'd like. You can say, I hated this webinar. Or you could be nice. I love this webinar. I love this, or I love the demo. Anything like that. Let me grab the form very quickly. Almost done. Okay. And with that, there you go. And oh, sorry, this is not it. It looks like it didn't copy. But while you fill it out, I'm going to read over all of your questions. So if you have any questions, please ask away. And if the form isn't working in any way, or for some reason, let me know. Okay. Let me go through all of the questions you have. Rahul, I noticed that you had a few questions for us. You asked about iOS app, and then update on speeds and results for quality of image to video. Yeah, great question. So image to video, we just came out with it. Because we just came out with it, it's technically, I would like to say it's still in beta, but we are updating it. We update our tools very, very quickly once it's released. So if you are noticing some delays in processing, it's mainly one, because it is a very brand new product for us, but two, it's because after we released it, there was a sudden huge influx of new customers, and we were not ready for that. So, and we're working hard to fix it, adding new servers, making it so that we can support all of the new customers that want to try our features. So I promise, as time goes on, probably sooner rather than later, the processing speeds for the image to video and for every other tool that we have will become faster. Thank you for the question, Rahul. That's a great question. Any plans to integrate text to video as well in the future? I don't know personally, but with the direction that we're going, it is very likely that text to video could be a feature. I want to say it could be just because we are doing the real-time video generation, which is just you're speaking into the camera or the mic, and then the video gets generated. So it's very similar to text to video. So I would like to say that it is likely going to be a feature, but no promises from my end of it. Let's see. Thank you for Roland says, thank you for the impressive demo. Thank you for joining the webinar. Oh, you're asking, oh, how do I get access? That is a good question. I should have shown this earlier. Let me share my screen. So for now, what you can do is go to products and then live camera, or on Google, if you just type in Akool Cam, it should be one of the first links that pops up. It shows you here. You can see that there are 267,274 people that are interested in Akool Live at this time. But just because the number is big doesn't mean you won't get access. You still have a chance. So click on join priority and there will be a form for you to fill out your name, your last name, your Akool email, your company name, and what version. So right now we have Windows. Mac is coming out very soon too, so you can just choose that. Once you fill out the form, later we are slowly going through the form and choosing the right candidates for early access, and that's about it for now. But the full access should be hopefully coming very soon. Probably after I believe it will probably come after everything is released, so live face swap and the real-time video generation. But it is possible that it is released even before that, Akool Live. But for now, all you can do is join the access list. Let's see. I see this is spooky. Yeah, it was, even I got scared. I didn't know both of them were in their avatar form. Oh, wow, there's a lot of questions. Sorry, I'm reading through all of your messages. Ahmed, would you be able to upload our custom avatar and replace ourselves completely with gestures and motions? So for now, it is not with gestures and motions. It is whatever you upload, it's whatever you send to create your custom avatar. If you want the custom avatar to have gestures, then you will have to show that you want the gestures to be included in the video that you use for the custom avatar. But just because we don't have it now doesn't mean we won't have it in the near future. I see. Oh, LLM. I wish I saw your question when Jiajun was here. Unfortunately, I don't have the answer to your question regarding being able to use it from LLM. If you really want that question answered, email me at eugene@akool.com or us at info@akool.com, or go to our Discord channel and open a ticket, or in the general chat, just ask away. And then I will respond, or I will get the answer from Jiajun and then respond to you. For now, I'm sorry I didn't see your question earlier. I wish I did. Oh, Rahul, oh yeah. So for usually with credits, sometimes I manually add the credits for you and then the email is not sent. But in cases like today's webinar where there are a lot of people, it will be automatically sent to you. So an email will be sent to you as well. So please expect an email sometime today. And if you don't get one, of course, feel free to email me or ask in the Discord about the credits, and I can check if you received the credits or not. Athena Online, I misunderstood what it did. Thought it could be used as an agent for support. That is, so technically, I don't know if this is what you're asking, but of course, our avatars you can use as agents for supports. We have a great example on our platform, actually. So I hope this is what you're asking about. But we do have our streaming avatar, which you can utilize through API for your business or whatever you might need it for. Here
Welcome
is
to Akool. How can I assist you today?
Here's our support agent. You can see her name is Alina. So instead of just a chat, we have the avatar. And of course, you can use your own avatar or any of our other studio quality avatars, but you could ask it anything such as, hi, how do you do a face swap?
Hey there. Face swapping can be a lot of fun. You can use apps like Snapchat, FaceApp, or Photoshop to swap faces. Each app has its own method, but
I'm going to stop it. So yeah, you can use the avatars for agents as well, support agents. Just not the Akool Live. Akool Live is for live generations, such as for meetings. Our streaming avatar is better utilized for use cases such as this, the support agent. Thank you for the question. I hope I answered it. In which membership will it be available or only over joining waitlist? For now, you can just join the waitlist to see if you get in, but better chance of being accepted if you do have a membership, just because typically we do prioritize our premium members just because they are paying customers. And we would like to give them priority over anyone else as a thank you for being very supportive of our platform. Yeah, huge response, 267,000. I did not think that many people would be interested, but I guess a lot of people are interested in real-time products such as video translation. I'm so excited for it to completely go live. So that way I can just speak in any language at any time. Okay, then with that, if there are no more questions, for the Google form, I'm going to close it very soon, so make sure you fill it out as soon as possible. But with that, if there are no more questions, that brings us to the end of today's session. We hope this webinar gave you more than just a preview of some new tools. We hope it sparked ideas, because Akool Live isn't just a product, it's an invitation to show up as your virtual self, to collaborate across borders, languages, and time zones seamlessly, to create content live without the constraints of a camera crew or green screen, to reinvent how you present, pitch, entertain, or teach in real time. This is a turning point in AI-powered video, and you're among the first to see it. So if you've been wondering how to elevate your presence, whether online, in meetings, or in the content you share, this is it. It's all possible right now with Akool Live. So before we end the session, just a quick reminder to fill out the Google form as soon as possible, as I will be closing it very, very soon. Rahul getting my access ASAP as I am an enterprise customer. Yeah, very likely you might be one of the first. There are so many there's so many submissions. We will probably have to go through all, or if not just most of them, just so we get the right people for the early access. But of course, just keep asking if you have any questions regarding Akool Live or anything else you might have. Let's see. Lori, wondering if you have a plan to help seniors utilize your technology. Of course, if you have any questions on how you could utilize any of our products, or if you need help with anything, please email me or email us or head to our Discord. And I'm always available to assist you with whatever assistance you might need. I hope I can help you with anything you're seeking assistance for. Yeah, today was a little bit longer one. I know some of you guys, it's very late for you. I know Rahul, it's very, very late. So thank you so much for joining today's webinar. As always, my name is Eugene, and I'm the marketing manager here at Akool. It was very, very fun showcasing the product for you. And oh, do you offer affiliate? I'm assuming you're referring to the affiliate link, or yeah, affiliate program. We do. It's just you can look up Akool affiliate. I'll share my screen one last time just so I can show you how to find it. You can type in Google Akool affiliate program, or if you go into your workspace page, affiliate program is right here. Oh, just click on affiliate program and it shows up like so. Okay. And with that, thank you so much for joining today. Oh, Lori, early access and priority for seniors. Possibly, we haven't considered it, but of course, email us and we can definitely maybe consider some special priority, especially since you joined the webinar today. We'll see. But thank you so much for joining the webinar. We appreciate all of you so much for sharing your support and being interested in our products. I hope you've had a very informational and fun time during this webinar. Next week, same time, will be another webinar. So please be back next week. I'll see you next week. And thank you to those of you that are here every week. Thank you so much. All right. Bye, everyone. Have a great morning, have a great afternoon, and have a great evening, and have a great night wherever you may be. Bye. Thank you so much.